A very good morning to you all, dear students. So today we will discuss the last topic from block 24, that is across the canals. Alright, so our aim for today is students will be able to recognize how the ships take less time to travel through the Suez Canal and the Panama Canal. Resources needed is the wall map of the world, political map of the world, that is atlas, worksheet S2, exit content book, and your notebook. So all of you need to have your atlas with you. Alright. So the keywords for today is Suez Canal, Panama Canal, and sea route. So let us all learn. Okay, what is Suez Canal, Panama Canal, and sea route? Alright, Suez Canal means a canal. Okay, linking the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. They are known as Suez Canal. Panama Canal is a major man-made canal. Okay, it is a man-made. Okay, canal in Panama that connects the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. And what is sea route? A route that is followed by ships. They are known as sea route. Alright. Now suppose you take 1 hour to reach your school. Alright. Suppose you take 1 hour to reach your school. One day you find another road to your school that takes only 15 minutes, not 1 hour, but you take only 15 minutes, alright, to reach your school. Okay, which road will you take? After discovering that usually you take 1 hour to reach your school, but finally one day you find another way or route, okay, shortcut to reach your school, and then it takes only 15 minutes. So which road will you take? The earlier one or the new one, and why? Alright, so see, this is actually a world map, okay, which you will even see in your alright, at last book. Alright, so we'll get to our discussion, but before that, just showing the picture so that you'll be familiarized with it. Okay, alright, so see, just like there are shorter routes, alright, just like there are shorter routes, or we call it as shortcut, we also have the shorter sea routes. Okay, that helps ship to reach their destination faster. And I'm sure you see that the blue shaded portion, all these are ocean. Okay, water, where there is always a canal, alright, a sea route, okay, for the ship to pass on. Alright, so like that there are also a shorter sea route, okay, that help the ship to reach their destination faster. So today we will learn about some sea routes through which ship can travel in less time. Alright, so imagine, okay, imagine that you are sailor and you have to travel across the ocean and sea to reach somewhere. Okay, sailor, okay, imagine yourself that you are a sailor, all right, who sail a ship. Okay, so who travel from one place to another. Imagine you are a sailor and have to travel across the oceans and seas to reach somewhere. So what you have to do is you have to look at the map of the world. All right, you have to look at the map of the world, this one. Okay, talking about this map of the world. And then uh, what you have to do is you have to grow a sea route, okay, to reach United Kingdom from India. All right, and then what you have to do is you have to discuss, okay, and choose the sea route for travel. So what you will do is imagine that you are a sailor and then you wanted to go to United Kingdom from India. Okay, so you have to grow a sea route to reach United Kingdom from India. So remember, this is India and you wanted to go to United Kingdom. All right, you are going to United Kingdom, this is UK. Okay, from India you are going to UK, so you have to grow a sea route, like how you are going to reach United Kingdom through sea route. Okay, that is through sea route. All right, so you can take in any shape. Okay, so which, how you are going to do that, you please indicate yourself. All right, I hope you are getting. Alright, so yeah, you need to pass through ocean and sea. Okay, so similarly, you please do that. Now, why did you choose a particular sea route to reach there? And how long do you think will take if you travel by your chosen routes? So, why did you choose the particular sea routes, and how long do you think you will take if you travel by your chosen routes? Alright, so students, listen carefully, okay? So, see, they are actually Swiss Canal and Panama Canal, okay? So, which are shorter routes. Alright, so see, Swiss Canal and Panama Canal. Alright, so I have noted down here, so please listen carefully. Swiss Canal means that passes through canal through Egypt. Alright, and it connects Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Okay, Panama Canal, it passes through Panama, connect Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. So they are both shorter sea route. Okay, and ship take less time to travel. Alright, so these are the canal or sea route where ship they usually take lesser time to reach the destination. Am I clear? Now, see, okay, you do like this. Okay, you short. All right, you pass through the Swiss Canal and Panama Canal. All right, on the wall map of the world. Okay, will you take the same route to reach this place using this route? Why and why not? And why? How do you think this new route will help traveling by ship? So let us locate. Okay, where is actually Swiss Canal and Panama Canal from the world map? Alright, so you see that this map is actually not clear for you to observe, okay? So you can always go through your world map, okay, and then observe. But let me just show you where it is actually located, okay? So you'll find that Swiss Canal you'll find somewhere around this area, okay? So north of Egypt you'll find here Swiss Canal, alright? And similarly, if you were to look for Panama Canal, you will find in alright just below the Mexico City. Okay, so here you'll find the Panama Canal. Alright, so suppose why they are short is because suppose see if you want to go from India to UK, alright, if you want to go from India to UK, the routes become shorter if you take the Swiss Canal. Okay, so if you go from here and then go to UK, this becomes shorter, right, from India as compared to if you were to cross the entire Africa. Okay, so see, suppose like not taking the Swiss Canal and you are going down to South Africa, and from there you are going to Europe, all right, or for example to UK. So you need to take this route, right, which is actually longer. Okay, so Swiss Canal is actually a short way, a sea route where you can reach your destination faster as compared to other route. So such is the case with the Panama Canal. Okay, so suppose like from Mexico or from United States. Okay, you wanted to go to UK, then there is a short way. Okay, from here to reach Europe. Instead of you going from Argentina, Brazil, and then going there, so there is a shortcut way. Okay, for you to go to United Kingdom crossing Panama Canal. Similarly, for you to go from India to reach United Kingdom, the short way or the short method is after crossing the Suez Canal. All right, I hope you got it now. Okay, so All right. So will we take all right. Will we take the same time to reach this place using the route? Why not? And how do you think these new routes will help traveling by ship? All right. So see, listen here again. If we take the route through Egypt, okay, we will reach the United Kingdom much faster, as I have shown to you, from Mumbai by sea. And if we take the route through Central America to reach the Pacific Ocean, instead of traveling all the way around, we will save a lot of time, right? As shown in the picture. Now, the route through Egypt is the Suez Canal. Okay, remember that. So it connects the Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea. So the sea route through Central America is Panama Canal, as I've shown to you, right? That is below the Mexico country. Okay. Canals, they are waterways made by humans like the tubes through the sea. So earlier, to reach England or any other places in Europe, America, from India, people see they have to travel for months, all right, all around Africa. Okay, now it takes just about 15 days to do this through the Suez Canal. All right, let me just highlight. Okay, so in the olden time, when there was no Suez Canal, like people in order to go to America or Europe, see they have to go all around Africa and then reach their destination into their North America. But now with the man-made Suez Canal, people from India they can easily go to UK within 15 days. Earlier it takes months and months. Okay, all right. So I hope you got it. Now the last question. Okay, can you think of any other ways in which shorter sea route help ships? Can you think of any other way in which shorter sea routes help ships? Alright, so see, the shorter sea routes help us to send things to other countries faster. Alright, so earlier while traveling by sea, people they got sick and they could not be treated until they reached land many months later. Right? So shorter sea routes can prevent problem like this. Alright? So for today, you have to complete your practice question number 5. Okay, practice question number 5 is how do the Suez and Panama Canal help in sea travel and then across the canal? So you have to complete your worksheet as for okay. So here is the world map given. So accordingly, you have to see. Okay, you have to read the instruction carefully and then do the necessary work by yourself. So that's it, and have a good day.